It starts already.
It kind of scared me for a second. I was like, I didn't think I was hitting my brakes that hard. Jesus. You say you need a gas, right?
Yeah. Well, I'm at like 3 bars right now, but that's maybe, what, a half gallon in this thing?
Yeah, which is like 50 miles.
Yeah. You need gas too?
I could top off.
93 dead dinosaurs.
What's your version?
I guess. Oh, I'm full.
I'll give you $1 for mine.
It don't matter, man.
Mine'll probably take 50 cents.
Filled up 2 mini bikes.
How much?
$4.02.
For 1.23 gallons? Hell yeah. We both did it at the same time.
Nice.
Rev bomb. Oh, more rev bombs. Damn hooligans. What up, blockheads?
What up, blockheads?
Reece over here to my left. We are on the mini bikes, Z125 and a Grom. Reece actually has these cool things on his arms to protect him from the sun. That isn't a, it's protection, but you don't have to wear like a super hot like jacket or anything. So we're just going to be Grom venturing around today, exploring, and hopefully not getting arrested. We're going to go pick some of these things up because I need some so my arms aren't all sunburned.
They're SPF 50 also.
Are they? Nice.
Yep.
Yeah, dude, you see Miss Block's little tan lines?
Awesome tan line.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's like it looks like the gauntlets like Wonder Woman has.
Okay.
You know? It's just like tan, and then like above that will just be like a lot more white. She got a picture with them where like her arms are down like this, and it's just like you can clearly see 2 big chunks.
Oh, nice.
I got my modeling career to worry about. So unfortunately, Miss Block is not able to join us today, as she did with the previous. Jesus. You had that thing held up for a while, man. Yeah, Miss Block's not able to join us. Unfortunately, she has, what was it, a midterm?
Midterm.
Yeah, a midterm for one of her classes right now. And then she's got a bunch more homework for the rest of the day. So she's being responsible. Once again, good job, Miss Block. So it's just going to be Reece and I. We're thinking about exploring around I-Drive, I think.
Yeah, like South I-Drive area.
Yeah, so we'll basically start like tippy top North I-Drive at Artagon. Check out that trail that I had hit last time around, and then we'll kind of work our way south towards Top Golf. Maybe stop by the Orlando Eye, take a photo. Damn it, I forgot the camera again. Always forget the camera. Yeah, I'm trying to get better about that, because you know, sometimes you just get those spots that are like really
you need a big camera instead of your phone.
Yeah, like the difference of quality between like a phone, especially mine, you know, because I got a freaking old iPhone, dude. The iPhone 6. I need to get the new one. The new one takes good photos, but still, it's no match for like a DSLR.
No, not at all.
Or like, you know, Miss Block's camera, I would take hers. She's got that Sony A6000. Man, it's a crazy little compact camera, but it takes really good photos.
Yeah. Dude, I know John Maxwell's, his lens is pretty freaking cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I like his setup, man.
Yeah.
It would just be hell, like, lugging that thing around all day, you know? I mean, it was DSLR, that huge, like, tripod thing, yeah, plus the Rode mic. And then you got to worry about rain and shit, so... Oh, shit, the light's on!
The what? Oh! Hey, you want to get a donut?
We might have to swing back by here.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, it smells so good.
Yes, it does. Damn it. Wheelie's not on point today. So Academy Sports did not have what we were looking for. So we are headed over to Dick's Sporting Goods, which is where Reece got his. What we're looking for is UV protection in these things because of the sunburn aspect, and Florida sun sucks.
Hey, we got Dick's and BJ's.
Terrible. El Terrible. Damn, dude, nice. Held that one for a bit.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if Dick's Sporting Goods has them. Comment your dick jokes down below. I know it's gonna happen.
Man, that's a big...
Hello.
Found them. Feels kind of goofy. They only had navy. Couldn't get black. Everyone knows you gotta get black.
But it's better than nothing.
That's true. Now my arms won't be burned by the end of the day. I feel like I'm getting ready to go play baseball or some shit.
That's how I first discovered these, playing high school baseball. Shout out to Under Armour. That's who we had.
Yep. Shout out to Nike. This video is in no way sponsored or affiliated with Nike. However, Nike, if you would like to sponsor the channel, feel free to reach out. Dang, these things really do make your arms feel like cool.
Oh, heck yeah, man. Right off the bat.
That's crazy.
Despacito.
Desperate Cheeto.
Dude, that was so
I feel
funny.
like a desperate Cheeto.
Neutrals.
I know what y'all have been doing. Y'all have been ghosting the gym. The videos are so funny, dude.
Yeah. I know you have been eating chocolates, watching your boo Netflix, and like ghosting the gym. You gotta go to the gym. I'm your personal trainer, boo boo. Desperate Cheeto. Sometimes I feel like a desperate Cheeto.
So we gonna get some hot and fresh?
Should we?
I'm down.
Donuts calling me from the hills.
Alright.
Want to jump the median? I'm jumping right here.
Are you?
I'll wait for you, no worries.
Hey, Reece, there's a cop.
Where?
He just turned his lights on and he's jumping the median.
Oh, whatever.
Damn it.
Oh, hello.
Little lawbreaker.
Things we do for hot and fresh.
Right? A good idea, sir.
Yes, it was. That was great. I'm all jacked up on Krispy Kreme now. Shut up, Chip.
I'ma put you in the microwave. Dude, okay. It's been... What time did we leave? An hour ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's been an hour. And in that hour, we've bought these protective things.
And some heavenly goodness.
And Krispy Kremes. So now, the Grom venture actually starts. Desperate Cheeto. That exhaust is loud. Alright, so the entrance is right there.
So we gotta do a U-turn and then go up on the sidewalk right there?
Yeah. And we here.
Yay.
Does it look wet?
Not too bad.
Yeah. Not too bad right here.
Oh, you're throwing shit all over the back.
Hey, Reece, I bet you can't jump that big ravine to the right.
Probably not.
This trail's a little more grown up than whenever I came on it last, man.
Yeah.
It's been raining a lot. Oh, dude, you want a really good wheelie lot? It's like right over here to the left.
Nice.
Right? Big open lot. This will be great whenever I get my sub cage.
Heck yeah.
Come practice wheelies out here.
Looks like someone's come out here before, done some donuts and stuff.
Yep. I don't want to bust ass. Nice.
Whoa!
Someone's eat it?
Yeah.
Oh shit, there we go.
That was a good one.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Alright. Okay. You getting a sub cage for yours too, right?
Yeah, at some point. Yeah, this is a cool lot, man.
Right? I think we got a car coming our way.
It's been sitting down there the whole time.
Oh, has it?
Yeah, just been hanging out underneath that tree. There we go.
Alright, held that one for a little bit.
Yeah. Did you wheelie up the curb?
Yep. Danger, keep off. Hazardous voltage above will cause severe injury or death. Nope. I ain't climbing that.
No, thank you.
Right?
Grass wheelies?
Yep. Man, it starts to make your freaking clutch hand tired after a while. Oh shit!
What?
Some big old long vine that got on my foot. I think I'm alright. Yeah, I think this side's just the other side of the woods that we were just on. I wonder if there's any people that live in there. Yeah, it's just the other side of the loading dock area.
Who the f playing music?
I don't know.
That f is loud as shit.
Right? I got some people over here.
Fishing.
Yeah. Hey, look, a bridge.
Oh, God. I'm guessing this must be a pretty cool fishing spot.
Man, it's just like a bunch of like industrial shit around here.
Yeah, I never knew this was all back here.
Me neither.
Oh, look at the gator!
Dude, no way.
Don't get too close, because there was just a bunch of bubbles right over there. A big one just went down,
Oh,
too.
you can see another one over there.
Yeah.
Dude, there's some kind of big old fish over here, too. It's like a long, skinny fish. Crazy. That's a pretty good-sized gator, man.
It's not too bad. Where there's a small one, there's definitely a big one.
Oh, yeah. Welcome to Gatorland, USA. It's funny, man. Industrial area and alligator. Ooh, he's coming this way. Yeah. No, you gotta do that. You gotta do that mating call. It's like they grunt.
Dude 'em, Liz, dude 'em.
It's that same voice you used when you were like, she needs some milk.
Dude 'em, Liz is the guy from Swamp People, Louisiana style guy. Dude 'em, Liz, dude 'em. And then, ooh, she needs some milk is all the vines whenever they get burned or something.
Yeah, I have no idea where we're at right now.
Yeah, neither do I.
Yeah, I want to say, isn't there there's a motorcycle dealership somewhere over here?
Is there?
Yeah, it's where Greg and them went on test rides the other day. What do you think? We could probably open up a garage over here and be alright.
Yeah, open up a garage over here would be cool.
Yeah.
I want to find one with a little ramp. I want to jump.
Like those?
Hey.
That's like a heavily secured.
That's FedEx.
Yep.
FedEx ground. Oh, we're on Sand Lake.
Oh, word. Oh, dude, we wanted to come to Sand Lake too, didn't we? Oh, yeah, look, there's the eye. Ah, stinks. Damn water reclamation facility. Damn it, Eric. Oh, dude, it really stinks. There's actually a big old opening, like a big concrete slab, but it's right in front of Lockheed Martin. It's like right up here on the left. I don't know if I'd want to mess with that one.
No, yeah. I really don't feel like a bomb going off.
Yeah, I feel like they'd be real strict if you're messing around their area, because that's actually where that's where they make a lot of the missiles and bombs.
It's crazy, right next to a huge tourist area.
Yeah, right next to iDrive. Yeah, I got passed. Dude, that shit is huge.
Holy crap. Oh, look at the Hummer over to the left.
Oh, what?
That's definitely one of their promotional vehicles for sure.
They got a security Hummer. That's cool. It's an actual Hummer too. You got me in front of me in the parking garage, because otherwise you're gonna drown in exhaust.
Oh, cool.
I'm just gonna start calling it Yoshi. Yoshi's gonna kill you.
Yoshi! Yahoo!
Oh, you just scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, dude, that's what you've been doing to me.
Whoa!
Holy shit. Feels like it caught some air.
I did on the front, I think. I want to try to jump it going down, but I don't know how high up I am, like how high my head is when I stand up.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend it. I mean, it's pretty close, but like if you go under an exit sign, you'll be like inches away from that. Yeah. Damn, dude.
This is cool.
Check this view.
Yeah, I'm coming back.
Pretty crazy. All right, so whenever we get up here, there's like a guard shack, so we got to be quick about setting the bikes up and getting a picture.
Okay.
Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah, that is awesome.
Oh, look, and that's new. That wasn't here last time I was here.
Oh God.
What? Shit, dude.
You know, it'd be awesome.
What?
I know we'd get in trouble like in 2 seconds. Rip the Groms and race around the whole brick path.
We're like, oh, we thought it was open to small bikes.
Up there's security.
Yep.
Security. Be out of here.
Time to go. Told you, as soon as we get up here.
See you later, guys.
People aren't allowed up on the 7th floor.
Oh, you're not allowed up here? Oh, okay. Is it like reserved parking or?
I mean, you can come park and go to the attractions, everything like that, but no hanging out with couple of them. That's it.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, it's our first time here. We just thought it was really cool. This thing is huge.
No, that thing is, yeah.
You guys aren't afraid of heights, are you?
No. There's things like
Oh, really? That's cool. Yeah, we'll have to check up on going up on one of those. I bet you can see a lot around Orlando. Yeah. All right, thank you guys.
Should I do a wheelie?
No.
Hey, watch. Nope, can't get it up. Need Viagra.
Be respectable.
Nope, it won't come up.
I told you they'd be out here in no time, though.
Yeah, but it's all good.
Oh, look.
Dude, that is no way.
Yeah,
that
dude.
is sketchy as shit.
I could not go on that thing. I would.
No.
Nope.
Oh my
It's just
God.
like you're held up by like chain link or some crazy shit. Dude, I'm getting dizzy just looking at it from here, man. The clouds are moving behind
Oh
me.
my gosh.
Hail to the no. I really need to work on those. So what did they say? It's okay, like if you're coming to see the attraction?
You can't hang out. Yeah. Yeah, he said you're allowed to park up there if you're coming to see the attractions, but not to hang out.
Gotcha. They probably get people coming up there for pictures all the time. Dude.
Big fattens.
What was that yell?
Oh, there's a car right there.
I know.
But I heard that extra scream. I don't know where that came from.
Yeah, I don't know where that girly scream came from.
You sure you don't want to do that?
What?
The swing?
Hell no. Hell to the no. You're catching me doing that shit.
And the only thing, you're just in a seatbelt.
So they got what? 8 chains connecting it, and then they got like some kind of electrical wire going to it as well.
That's not that big of a chain either.
Right? It's not like the thickest chain link that they make.
Yeah.
Wonder what the weight limit is. Hey, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Randomness, man. Found an awesome stunt lot. Saw an alligator. And saw the Orlando Eye. Oh, and these. Dude, I'm
And you bought some.
I'm gonna put these in a link in the description below. They're freaking awesome. Good stuff, bruh. Yep. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, hit that like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already. Alright, catch you guys later. Deuces. Oh, nice.
Oh, that was a good one.
Right? That was probably one of my better ones. Right at the end. All right.